Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone and I wanted to show you the best widgets that you can add on this device. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, I'll show how you can access the home screen menu where the widget settings are located. So you can do it in two ways, either by shrink and swipe, as you can see, or you can also just tap and hold. This menu, this home screen additional menu will appear as well. So in order to set up some widgets, you just gotta go for the widgets icon, as you can see here. And now you have different categories of widgets which you can add. So in this particular video, I'll show you my favorite 3 widgets. So the first one is being the clock widget. So you just look for the clock section, the clock category, and choose the clock design that you like the best. I'll go with dual clock, for example, and press on add. It will ask you to choose the time and zone that you are in. I'll just choose Berlin, press on save, and as you can see, this dual clock has been placed onto the second home screen with the first part showing the Warsaw time and the second part showing the Berlin time. You can just rotate the widget by tap holding and moving it around your screen. I'll just leave it here, and also I just wanted to show you real quick that you can put it on any other home screen that you like. So let me get back to the widgets menu. The second widget that I would highly recommend on getting is the Google search bar. In order to add it to your home screen, just look for the Google section in the widget settings. Here it is, and choose this search bar. Press on add, and here we have it. You can regulate its size. Let's see, just make it this small. And obviously the Google search bar can be rotated as well. And the next widget, and I suppose it's gonna be the last one that I was intending to show you today, guys, is the weather widget. So once you look out for the weather section, weather category, expand it, and as previously, just choose the design that we like the best. I'll go with the first one. It looks very pretty to me. You also gotta set up your location and current time as well in order for the widget to display the actual weather of the place that you are currently in. It will search for a little bit and identify my location. As you can see, it might take a while, but don't worry, it will finally get to it one way or another. I'll just try to accelerate the process by reloading it. I will search for your location once again. And as you can see, it has successfully identified that we are in Krakow right now, and now it displays the weather in Krakow. So that was pretty much it that I wanted to show you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.